Hello everyone, I am Dr. Adil Zia and welcome to Marketing Information System, a 3-credit hour course. This video is second video of chapter number 2. This topic will be discussed only in one video, as this topic will be covering only one learning outcome. The essentials of good marketing information system is the learning objective that we will be trying to cover in this video. In the last video, we have learned about the well-accepted definitions of marketing information system, and then we discussed about the 3 main sources of marketing information system. And in the last video, I have also discussed many important points that are related to understand the marketing information system in a better way. Today's lecture is concentrated related to only marketing information system topic and the essentials, which means what are the important points that can be included in marketing information system to make it an effective marketing information system. There can be more than 8 essentials of marketing information system, but today I have tried to include only the most important 8 marketing information system essential in this video. All these points are randomly ordered and not on the basis of their level of importance. The first essential of marketing information system is related to making the information unified and centralized. As I discussed earlier in different videos, that the need of marketing information system should be very clear. The marketing information system starts with the need identification. If the marketing information system is not supporting and facilitating the decision makers, then it is of no use. The information will be of no use and it will be only waste for the organization, the waste of the time, waste of money and waste of effort and other resources. So the first one says it must be unified and centralized. Now the meaning of unified is related to the collection of information, and centralized means at one place. If the information is in bits and pieces, then it may not be supporting the decision makers. If the information is unified, then it can be utilized by the decision makers and it is in better usable form for the decision making. Similarly, the information should be stored at one place, which is known as centralization. The information available at one place, unified and centralization, makes it easy to access and quickly it can be referred by the authorities. This may be the managers, or it may be the decision makers. Anyone can go and access the information which is available at the one place. Now let's see the second essential component of marketing information system, which makes it a good marketing information system, and this is related to facilitation to decision makers. All the efforts made in the collection of the information, starting from the data and converting it from data to information, it is related to only providing and supporting the decision makers. Okay, so the information should be in a way that it should guide, assist or help the managers in decision making. That's called facilitation. A good marketing information system should make available the required information to the managers in order to help decision makers. The information will facilitate the managers only when it is relevant, reliable and updated. Now, for example, if we want to know the number of customers using credit card in their purchase day-to-day activities, the information should be provided only related to the customers which are using credit card. If we want the information of use of credit card by the customers, but the information available is a mix of information of cash purchase, deferred purchase and the card purchase, then it will not guide the decision makers, or it will not facilitate the decision makers in a proper way. So therefore we say the information should be in a way direct, and it should facilitate or help the decision makers. The information should be in a way which is required by the decision makers, then only it will facilitate. So it should be relevant also. Similarly, the information provided should be reliable and updated. Like if I say we want to know the number of customers or the number of population, what is the population of a city, and the data available is 10 years old or 5-year old, but this data is a dynamic data, it's changing. So if the current data is not available, then it will not be very helpful for decision making. So we will say it will facilitate the decision making only if the data is reliable and updated. So these are the two main aspects of essential of good marketing information system, and we can say both these essentials of marketing information system, their main purpose is of making the information available and should be to play a positive, it should play a positive role in decision making process. Now let's see the third one, which is related to making the information available very quickly and accurate information. Accuracy is, and quickly means timely. When the decision makers want information, it should not be delayed. The time of the information should be quick. If they want the information, they get the information. If it is delayed, again we will go back to point number 2, which says it will not facilitate. So if it is quick and accurate, accuracy of the information is very, very important. The information provided should be accurate and timely, then we will say it will facilitate the decision makers. Similarly, the fourth one is related to the cost of the marketing information system. It's also very, very essential aspect. We say the cost of developing our information should not be very high, it should be economical. The cost will play a very important role in the adoption of any marketing information system. If the process of devising the information, collection of information and dissemination of information, which I have mentioned in the last video for chapter number 2, if the cost is very high, you will not find the organizations adopting it, using it. Or we can say the high cost will make it very difficult for the organization to adopt or implement the marketing information system in their organization. So if it is very expensive, it will not be adopted by the organization, and similarly it will not assist in the decision making process of the organization. It will not be helpful for the organization as well as the decision makers, managers. The fifth point is related to be selective. Now the selective means that it is related to the accuracy of information. Here I have listed all the 8 essentials of good marketing information system, and we have now started discussing the 5th point, which is being selective. The details are mentioned here. and the PPT is available for download, and the link is provided in the description box below. These are the detail of all the essential points that we have discussed. Now, as I was talking about being selective, which means that it is related to the availability of information. What kind of information is available? Which means that it should collect only that information that's required by the managers or the decision makers. So we can understand that the collection of unwanted or irrelevant information should be avoided by the marketing information system that has been selected. Okay, that's why it is very important or the essential element of a good marketing information system. Only the very essential information should be collected. The collection of unwanted information will lead to the wastage of resources like the time, energy, efforts and money. Therefore, the marketing information system should be selective. That's why we are saying the marketing information systems should be selective in the approach. This is the slide actually. I just skipped that by mistake. So this is the slide which is talking about being selective. And the sixth one is related to the future oriented aspect of the marketing information system. The sixth essential element of marketing information system is that it should be future oriented. It simply means that the marketing information system should predict the future problems. Okay, we should not have a marketing information system which is not future oriented. The marketing information system adopted to be able to solve future problems. Now this future oriented means it should also be able to do the foresightedness. Okay, the key to success for any organization is its foresightedness. If it's able to able to find out what can be, or able to predict what can be the future problems or issues that may arise in an organization, or how to compete with the future problems, future expected issues by the marketing information system, and be successful if they can be predicted, and the future challenges, and accordingly the marketing information system, it can be adopted. So the marketing information system, which is a future oriented, which is able to manage the future challenges, will be called as a good marketing information system. The next essential aspect of marketing information system is related to the consistency of information, which is mentioned here as the supply of information should be regularly available. Regularly means I am talking about the consistency of the information. Consistently it should be available. If the supply of information is not regular, the manager might not be able to position the marketing strategies, or you can say the marketing manager will not be in a position to adopt any changes in the environment. Now we have to understand that to cope up with the new challenges and the dynamic environment, the managers should have to make decisions, and decisions need regular update of the information. Therefore, the continuous supply of information is must for decision makers. That's why it is very, very important and vital for a good marketing information system. The last one is related to the use of the technique, which is about the collecting, analyzing, sorting, and supplying the information. Good marketing information systems should use new technique, the latest technology. And we all know that the computers and microfilms are really very useful in marketing information systems. And nowadays the development in the new technology is taking very fast. So the use of internet and the softwares, they make the task of the decision makers or the managers very easy, and the data available can be easily synthesized and converted into information, and then with the help of new technology this information can be used by the decision makers to make some decisions, to do some changes in the organization marketing strategy. And these informations being collected and analyzed by the softwares, they are more accurate and they increase the efficiency and accuracy of marketing information systems. Now due to the use of technology, the cost of marketing information system is also reducing very fast. Just take one example, that the physical distribution of pamphlets as a marketing tool is very expensive, whereas if you have the collected email IDs of the customers, you can easily send all the messages, videos and pictures to all your customers at very low cost using email. So the email cost is almost negligible, or we can say it is very less. So this is the use of latest technology, and these latest technologies are being adopted by almost all organizations, and the use of new technologies is also bringing the cost of information system down. And the techniques keeps on developing very fast. They are very user friendly also, and the information being collected is helping all the organizations and the business managers in decision making. This is all related to the all the essential elements of good marketing information system. If you have any questions and queries, you can always comment below, or you can approach me using my email ID mentioned in the description box. Thank you for watching.